What else, Papa? Hey Busy Bees, it's Zung, and today I just wanted to check in, say hi, and give you a quick channel and life update. So the past month was kind of a whirlwind for us. We finally got some help with Aracy so that we could film, get some work done, but unfortunately in LA it's really funny because all the nannies are all actresses, performers, so we loved our nanny, but she got another acting job or something that's more aligned with her acting career, so she's no longer gonna be with us, which is so sad, but we're totally happy for her. I know that I'm super supportive of anyone going after their career goals and stuff, so super excited about that, but that left us a huge gap in terms of childcare, so we finally found someone. She's gonna start soon. That's why I haven't been able to update as much in terms of regular content. I know you guys are seeing a lot of sponsored content that was filmed maybe a month ago, and I hope you guys always find value in product integrations, sponsored videos that I do. I always try to make it authentic and make it real to what you guys would normally see, with the addition of products in there that I personally like and I would totally recommend. So let me know what your thoughts are about that. If you think you are seeing too many on the channel, not seeing enough, or that if it's just right. I definitely don't want to overdo it in any way and lose your trust, because that's the most important thing to me. But like I said, these are products that I will always recommend if I like them. Plus, I think they make pretty delicious recipes too, like the Almond Breeze one to use in hummus. Like, who would have thought? Chef Brooke was so fun to work with, and I love collaborating with chefs and stuff like that because they give me so many new ideas. For me, I get inspirations by going out there to eat, seeing what like the real professionals do, and then I come home and I put my home cook spin on it for you guys. So it was nice to have like a celebrity chef professional in our kitchen doing her thing. So that was super fun. So for fall, let's talk about upcoming content that we're gonna be doing. So for fall, I wanna start doing more baking challenges. So it's gonna be a mix of like nostalgic items. Look here, I have my mini animal cookie cutters. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm doing with them yet because I'm still testing and perfecting the recipes for that video. I wanna do really fun baking projects. I love to bake, but it's been so hot here in LA that I haven't really been baking much, but once fall rolls around, baking is like one of my favorite activities to do. And now that Aracy is a little bit older, I could kind of play with her. She has her own kind of like kitchen set that I've recently bought her, and she likes to kind of play mix, so it'll be really fun for us to play and do that in the kitchen together. In which case, let's say if we don't have childcare, how do you guys feel about having Aracy in the video? I mean, it's not gonna be as like straight up professional like it normally is. We're gonna make it work somehow and kind of have her in the background, but to be honest, I have to find a way to make it work for us, for you guys, and have fun, right? I have a feeling she's gonna be a really good helper in the kitchen because all the kitchen toys that I've gotten her already, she loves. And I wanna say that she learned how to say strawberries and apple because of her toys, because I'm always like, apple, here's an apple, apple. And she goes, apple. It's so cute. Anyways, so yeah, that's one of the plans that I have. And then another one, talking about chefs and stuff like that, I kind of want to do like a baking challenge where I follow along famous chef recipes and see if they actually translate to home cooks. I don't know, we'll try it out, see how that works, because for me, I still have a lot to learn in terms of cooking techniques, stuff in the kitchen. I am not a pro at all. I would say I'm a pretty advanced home chef, but by no means am I a professional like chef like they do. So that would be a really fun challenge for me. Aside from that, I want to keep doing like fall hauls, great finds that I have. And I know that monthly favorites are super popular amongst beauty YouTubers, but I haven't really done that for baby, mom products, food, stuff like that. So what do you guys think if I started doing like monthly favorites like that, just to recommend products? I know when I post something on Instagram stories, I always get questions about where did you find that? Like, where can I find that bowl, or where can I find that plate, that bib for Airseas? So I thought that would be a really fun way to just kind of package it up together so you guys can have one place to look for things. Let's see what else. We tried the out and about content filming outside, but just in terms of environmental stuff that we can't control, I don't feel like it's up to par with what I want to show you guys, like what we've done at home on our channel and what we create outside. I feel like it's always super stressful and it's always not very put together. So I think we're gonna put a kibosh on that for a little bit and then see how it goes. Maybe I'll be able to do something a little more planned out so that it tells a better story for everybody. And it's not just me scrambling trying to get this footage here, there, and then putting it together. Cause that's kind of stressful. So like I said, this past month was kind of crazy. There's a lot of like personal stuff that I've been going through as well. I'll just share it to you guys. I went to the doctor's today. It's nothing serious, but I felt like this bump on my wrist, and it kind of freaked me out because finding lumps and bumps on yourself is never a good thing, right? So I found it actually 2 weeks ago after I was doing push-ups, and I think I might have put too much pressure or something on it because I have this little bump the size of a pimple. So I finally called the nurse and they had me go in, and today when I went in, basically what happened was that my joints and tendons, I guess there was too much pressure or like overuse of my thumb because I'm on my phone too often. Yeah, basically I have a fluid-filled sac on my bone right here. It's called like a ganglion cyst. And to be honest, it doesn't hurt too much unless I'm on my phone. So I'm thinking either that or because I was doing push-ups, putting too much pressure on my wrist. My wrists have always been kind of weak. When I used to be a server, I had to wear like this brace because I got carpal tunnel from it. So that's kind of a bummer. And then I also had food poisoning when we went to San Diego for a mini vacation. I don't know what happened, but I was pretty much in the bathroom for most of the trip. It was just awful. Food poisoning is the worst. Anything that has to do with like your stomach, that whole thing, just, I don't wish it upon anybody because you just feel so miserable. That happened. And then I also went to the doctor's earlier in August to get a physical. And when they took my blood test, my doctor, I'm not sure I'm going to go back to her. I'm not really loving her, by the way, but the doctor sent me a letter saying that basically that I have abnormal test results, that my cholesterol is too high. But when I compared it to all of my old tests, it actually was going down. So I really didn't understand that. And so this morning when I went to the doctor, I asked her about it, a different doctor about it. And she said, no, your levels are actually all in range. I'm not sure why she said that to you. Did you ask her? And I'm like, actually, I didn't ask her because after that and after stressing about it, I just wanted to get a second opinion, basically. I just didn't really trust her anymore. So it was really good for me to hear that this doctor thought all the levels are normal. And I even went online to search. I talked to my sister, which coincidentally, we have like the same numbers, which is really weird. But her doctor says she was in perfect health. So I was like, why didn't mine say this? Anyways, the only good thing that came out of that was it made me realize that I need to exercise more. So my LDL cholesterol levels were a little higher. They were in no shape or form bad at all, according to this doctor. She says They are lower than your past. They're in range. But if you are concerned about high LDL levels, which is the bad cholesterols, I would recommend eating less animal fat and exercising more. So that's exactly what I started doing. I started doing the Pop Sugar Fitness videos 3 times a week for about 30 minutes each. If I can't, then I'll try to do really like high impact cardio to get my heart levels up. The cardio has always been a concern for me because my dad's side of the family had such like terrible track record, and so many of them had heart disease. So that's something that's been always concerning to me and always on my mind. So I want to work on that some more, and just make sure that I'm in the best shape that I can be, whatever I could control. So health-wise, I'm okay. Everything's okay. This bump either will go away or it'll stay there. But if it gets worse, then I have to get it drained or surgically removed, which is not fun. But everything is okay. And that's pretty much all I could hope for. But that's been my health journey in the past month. I'm also trying to have a smoothie a day just to make sure I get enough vegetables and nutrients in. So that's been another daily goal of mine. And hey, maybe I'll start doing like a smoothie challenge either on Instagram or YouTube. Who knows? I would love to share more smoothie recipes with you guys once I get that kind of figured out and yeah, come up with some new stuff. Anyways, I am talking too much. I'm sure you guys have plenty to do with your day as well. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys have any suggestions for baking projects, I will still do our normal Sunday recipes, which I usually give you guys so many different ideas on snacks, breakfast, meals. I'm not sure I'm gonna continue with the Wednesday weekday meals because I want to do baking stuff with that, but I'll be posting more often regardless once our new nanny is able to help us free up some time. So I'm so excited to share that with you guys. If you guys want to see more daily updates from me, be sure to follow me on Instagram at honeysucklebees, and I will see you guys tomorrow. We have another video coming out, 3 sandwich ideas that will be hopefully super delicious for you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!